Madrid, coronavirus will follow a personalized plan. RealMadrid.com. Real Madrid are the first football club to be quarantined after basketball player Trey Thompkins tested positive for coronavirus. Now, the football and basketball players will have to train at home in order to stay in shape. The club will give them a personalized training plan. Many of the footballers have gyms at home and have the habit of doing extra work in their respective homes. Once they have completed training at Valdebebas, Real Madrid are aware that both LaLiga Santander and the Champions League are going to come to a halt, but the goal is to keep the squad in the best condition possible. The players are going to be in permanent contact with the club's doctors in case any symptom appears at home, and they will also be in contact with coaches and physical trainers as they follow their training plan. Zinedine Zidane was the one who notified the squad that training has been temporarily suspended. Los Blancos were preparing for the visit of Eibar to the Estadio Santiago Bernabeu on Friday night, as well as the second leg of their Champions League last 16 tie with Manchester City next Tuesday. The scenario now, however, is radically different. Health comes first, and that is clear to players and coaches at the club. Let's block ads. Why?